This is how we teach our students to think and not just memorize. PHET, or is it PHET? It lets students see physics, forces and motions. This is perfect for students who struggle with abstract learning. Wolfram helps students check steps, not just answers. If used correctly, definitely the student won't only have dependence on the app, but will be able to formulate an understanding that is deeper than textbook learning directly. Lastly, we have Notion or GoodNotes. This is imperative because if your studies are not organized, your mistakes are not organized, it's very hard for you to excel and see yourself in terms of what am I doing wrong, how do I ensure that I do not continually make the same mistake. So Notion or GoodNotes is very important to stay organized, because an organized learner is a successful genius. Let us know down in the comment section which app do you use, or which app are you most excited to try as a physics IEB learner.